What is up, you guys, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to the very first advent calendar unboxing. Technically, it's the second, but it's the first for 2021. If you guys are new here, my name is Jessie, and we are going to be doing, hopefully, 12 days. I think I have 12. I might have more. I think I might have actually gotten more. So we're just going to be doing a day-by-day unboxing of advent calendars. If everything goes smoothly, because me and technology, we don't really mix. If you guys are excited to get into this advent calendar, it's kind of a mystery for both of us because it's saying it came from the Hut Group International. If you guys are excited to get into this, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up because it does help me out tremendously, and it also lets me know that you do like these unboxings. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. This is not an advent calendar. I'm so confused. Oh, look fantastic.